Welcome to the Quizzers. Are you ready for the toughest decisions of your life? Then let's play Would You Rather Hardest Choices Ever. If you're new here, subscribe to our channel for more games just like this. Let's start. Would you rather have a small dog or a big dog? Would you rather have hot Takis or hot Cheetos? Would you rather have a pet rat or have a pet snake? Would you rather have expensive jewelry or an expensive handbag? Would you rather buy a famous painting or buy an old car? Would you rather have fries or potatoes? Would you rather eat a scorpion or eat a spider? Would you rather have sour punch straws or airheads? Would you rather get a paper cut on your finger or have a blister on your ankle? Would you rather play video games at home or go out and play with your friends? Would you rather have a basketball court or a tennis court? Would you rather own a club or own a school? Would you rather attend a concert or attend a sporting event? Would you rather have McDonald's Quarter Pounder or Wendy's Baconator? Would you rather have rocks in your shoe or step on Legos? Do you think cats are more intelligent or dogs are more intelligent? Would you rather have Gucci or Louis Vuitton? Would you rather live in a big city or live in the countryside? Would you rather be stuck in Call of Duty or Fortnite? Would you rather have Sour Patch Kids or Swedish Fish? Would you rather earn $10,000 per month or win $1 million now? Would you rather have a long-haired cat or a hairless cat? Would you rather have an iPhone 15 Pro Max or an iMac? Would you rather always have a slow internet connection or always get stuck at red lights? Would you rather find precious stones or find gold? Would you rather be allergic to McDonald's or be allergic to Burger King? Would you rather have cinnamon rolls or a sticky bun? Would you rather eat this burger or give it to him? Would you rather have no body hair or have way too much body hair? Would you rather have your animal protect you or have your animal give you lots of cuddles? Would you rather teleport yourself or be invisible? Would you rather have expensive sneakers or a diamond ring? Would you rather have unlimited dollars or unlimited junk food? Would you rather have a zombie invasion or an asteroid hitting the Earth? Would you rather have Sprite or 7 Up? Would you rather always speak in song or always speak in rap? Would you rather see baby turtles or see baby elephants? Would you rather have a water fight or have a snowball fight? Would you rather own a ski resort or own a football team? Would you rather have a Rolex or a Breitling? Would you rather own this yacht or save this kitten? Would you rather have salty popcorn or caramel popcorn? Would you rather have more time or more money? Would you rather have a parrot that tells jokes or a parrot that gives compliments? Would you rather have a Ferrari or a retro car? Would you rather have pimples all over your face or always have visible dandruff? Would you rather choose Batman or Spider-Man? Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.